Hey guys, this is WildCatMan43 here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to record a computer screen for free with OBS Studio. Alright guys, so first I'm just going to tell you a little bit about this program. What OBS Studio is it's made by the same company that made Open Broadcaster software, the original OBS, but now they've made this better version, OBS Studio, which I've been using for a while, and I wanted to show you guys how to use because I think it's really awesome. Now it has no viruses, it's completely free to use, they won't charge you or anything like that. So to go ahead and get started using this program, what you're going to want to do is navigate to your browser, whichever browser you want, and then go ahead and type in OBS and hit enter, and then navigate to this very first link, Open Broadcaster Software Home, obsproject.com. Click on that, and then go ahead and click Download OBS Studio. Select your operating system of choice, Windows 7, OS X, or Linux. Click on that, and it will go ahead and download it. It's about 115 megabytes. Once again, it has no viruses, and then just go ahead and run through the installer, and it's very straightforward, doesn't take that long. And once you're done with that, go ahead and open it up for the first time, and you should see a screen that looks somewhat like this. And it has some very special things about it that are different from the original that I want to share with you. So to go ahead and get started recording, you're going to go ahead and go to Scene, click the little plus button, add your new scene, name it whatever you want. If you're going to be recording games, name it that game, whatever. Go ahead and then go to Sources, click the little plus button, and then here you have a bunch of options which you can choose from to record. You can record games, just audio, display, which is what I'm using right now to record this, images, window capture, so only a certain window, etc. There's a lot of different options. So whatever you're going to do, make sure you have your game open, click game capture, and then you can select it from within that menu. So once you've already added your source, you're not quite ready to start recording yet. You got to change a few settings first. Go ahead and go to Settings, and then General. You don't really need to change anything in General. Stream, you can also use this program for streaming, which I don't really use because no one really cares about small YouTubers right now. But if I were to stream, this is what I would use. You can stream with Twitch, YouTube Gaming, any of these streaming sites. It's very nice. Output is where you might change some things. So I go to recording, and just go ahead here, recording path. You can change that to wherever you like, hit browse, and that's where all the files that you record are going to go. So just kind of select that wherever you want to put it. This is very important. Make sure you change recording format to MP4. Its default format is FLV, which no one really uses anymore. YouTube doesn't support it, I don't think, and lots of editing programs don't really support it. So make sure you change that. Then go down to rescale output. Make sure that's at whatever your monitor resolution is, or if you want to lower it down a bit to save CPU usage, that's fine. 720p is probably about the lowest you're going to get to go on YouTube these days without some complaints. I record in 1080p, which is a bit higher, but I have a pretty good computer, so I can afford to do that. Moving on to audio, you're going to want to leave everything the same except for your mic. So go ahead and change it to whatever mic you're using. If you don't have a mic in certain, just go ahead and leave it at default, but I have a Blue Snowball, so that's what I'm using right now. You can add a delay if you want, so after you start recording, it delays a few milliseconds before it starts recording audio, if you want to, but I don't really do that. Then moving on to video, it says I can't change anything right now, but you guys definitely will be if you're not recording. My resolution is 1920 by 1080, which is 1080p, and you can downscale it to a certain size, which I just don't downscale it at all. But if you have a bit worse of a computer, I would definitely recommend downscaling. Downscale filter, you don't need to worry about anything else. FPS, I do it 30. You can do 60 if you have a really high-end computer. Then hotkeys, I have the start and stop recording ones are the only ones I have set. I have it for number pad 1 and 2. You can add a bunch of different ones. It has a bunch of different options. You guys, it's up to you on that one. Advanced, I didn't really change anything here. It's pretty simple. They make it pretty easy for you guys, and that's about all you need to start recording with OBS Project. I'll have a few more specific videos coming out on how to record certain games and how to record, like, for say, Chrome or YouTube videos or whatever you guys like, check my channel for other videos. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, and please hit a thumbs up if it helped you guys, and that's all I've got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.